Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a belated Happy New Year. Hope you guys are all doing well. This video is not my usual phone video, but it's going to be on my iPad. I recently just released my first ever Mochi digital planner, which I'm going to show you guys in this video. I'll be walking through downloading and using this planner, and in the second half of the video will be a relaxing plan with me session. This Mochi planner is a cute, aesthetic, and minimal planner that supports monthly, weekly, and daily planning, and it also includes lots of cute stickers as well. I do my digital planning on GoodNotes 5 on my iPad, but it's also compatible with applications like Notability or NoteShelf and Zoto on Android devices. Basically, any note-taking applications that support interactive PDFs can work, but those ones are the most popular ones. When you first purchase the planner, this is the download that you'll get. It's basically a hyperlinked PDF that will guide you step by step to download what you need. This obviously would look better in landscape mode, but I had my iPad standing up already, so we'll just work with that. So the first step of this download is to choose Monday or Sunday start. That is totally up to your preferences and how you like to look at your calendar. Depending on which one you select, it will lead you to the next download step, which is to pick the tab colors that you want. I made 4 pastel variations of the planner in blue, purple, pink, and green, and the accent colors inside the planner will also match to the tab color as well. I personally prefer Monday starts, and I'm going to choose pink, so I'm just going to tap on this box and this will bring me to the Dropbox download page for the specific variation of this planner. Once the page is open, all you need to do is tap the share button up top and select GoodNotes. GoodNotes will open up and you can rename your planner here and then select import as new document. So at this point, the planner is pretty much ready to use on its own in GoodNotes. An important note here is that hyperlinks will only work when you turn off the writing function. If the writing function is turned on, the hyperlinks will be hidden, so remember to turn it off if you need to navigate the planner. If you want to change your planner cover to mix and match with your tabs, I included a bunch of other covers that you can download. Back in your download index, you just need to press the download covers button and then it should save to your files application. Make sure to tap on the zip file to extract it, and then you can go inside the folder to choose a cover that you'd like instead. Once you've chosen one, you can tap the share button and select GoodNotes. And then select Import to Current Document. When you go to the thumbnail view in GoodNotes, you can delete the previous cover with this option, and make sure you do the same thing for the back cover. Alright, so on to the fun part, which is downloading the stickers. I created 2 different file types, which is a GoodNotes specific elements file and transparent PNGs for other non-GoodNotes applications. The GoodNotes file automatically imports the batch of stickers to your GoodNotes application easily, and that's what I'm going to show you in the next step. So once you've downloaded it to your Files application, you just go in there, tap on it to extract it, and you'll see these 4 collection files. Open up GoodNotes and navigate to this Elements tab, and then press on the Add button. And then here you can select Import From and find those collection files that you just extracted out. Everything will be automatically saved as a GoodNotes element, which you can then easily use as cute stickers for your planner. Last but not least, I also created a cute handwritten font called the Mochi font. My writing is absolutely horrendous in GoodNotes 5 for some reason, so I prefer to use a font that I can convert my writing into when I plan. When you download this, you'll get a zip file, which again gets saved to your Files application. And for this step, you'll also need an application called iFont, which is a free download from the App Store. Like before, make sure that your zip file is extracted. In iFont, tap on the top right to import the Mochi font and select the OTF file type. Then you basically just follow the instructions on screen. It's super fast and easy. And once you install the configuration profile, it'll be loaded into GoodNotes automatically and can be used under the text box function. So now I'm just going to do a quick planner walkthrough. This planner is fully hyperlinked from cover to cover and with the tabs on the side as well. I created this to be a basic, no fluff kind of planner that doesn't have too much or too little, but it will provide you with a very straightforward and cute planning experience. The tabs lead you to the planner index page at the front, the yearly calendar overview page, as well as the calendar for each month. The planner index page is your quick access to different sections of the planner, such as the calendars, as well as other monthly templates such as the mood/vision boards, notes, and reflections. This planner also includes a notebook section at the end, which you can use with different templates. Each page will always have these icons up top for quick access to the calendar, mood board, and notes specific to that month, reflections specific to a week, as well as the notebook at the end of the planner. The monthly calendar is fully hyperlinked. If you tap on the left side of a week, it'll bring you to the weekly planning page for that specific week. In the weekly page, if you tap on a specific date, it'll bring you to the daily planning page for that day. Then at the top, you can easily tap back to the weekly page as well, and the mini calendars on the side are linked to the weekly planning pages of each week. For the quick access icons, on weekly and daily planning pages, you will see this smiley face icon added on. This icon brings you to the weekly reflection page for a specific week, and it can always be accessed through any weekly or daily planning pages. This weekly reflection page has a cute Mochi mood tracker that you can use, as well as some questions to reflect on how your week went. Now let's start playing around with the planner. Here I'm just filling out the mood board for January. The mood board is kind of like a creative space for you to just express yourself or how you'd like your month to look. I like to put positive quotes and reminders in mine so that I can go back to it every now and then. It's a completely open space for you to just do whatever you want. You can even put personal pictures in here, or just find pictures from Pinterest and quotes that you like. For my mood board, I also used an application called 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗘 from the App Store to edit my images into different shapes to place onto the page. So now let's do a quick planning session. I've already filled out the monthly calendar, but here I'm just adding some new events to it. The monthly calendar is probably the most important one to me. I absolutely cannot go through a month without having a general overview of all the dates laid out in their proper spots. Even with my phone themes, I always have to have a monthly calendar on the home screen. I'll also be planning out a busy week for my digital widget sticker and Undated planner launch. I'm planning that specific launch day. You don't have to use the monthly, weekly, and daily planning layouts all together. It really depends on how you like to plan. You can use only one or maybe two or all three if you like. For me, I personally always need the monthly and weekly plans filled out. I will go in and plan a specific day if that particular day is super busy, but don't pressure yourself to fill everything out because that can be overwhelming. Don't feel pressured to fill out all the lines either in the priority and to-do list. Just plan at your own pace and relax and take your time. I'm just going to end the voiceover here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the Plan With Me session. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.